Morning students. Today we will study about chapter 15 of our social study book, which is My Green Friends. In this chapter we will study about the plants. So look around, you will find plants everywhere. There are many different kinds of plants. Some are big and some are small. Students, when you look around yourself, you see plants everywhere. There are many different kinds of plants which are big and small. Plants need soil, sunlight, water and air to grow. So students, what need for the plant to grow? That is soil, sunlight, water and air. Now we will discuss about the parts of the plant. So students, as we can see the picture of a plant. In this we can see root, stem, branch, leaf, fruit, bud and flower. So in this, first we will discuss about the first important part of the plant, that is root. So what does the root do? Roots absorb water and minerals and transport them to stem. And the most important second part of the plant is the stem. So what does the stem do? Stem supports the leaf, flower and fruits and also transport the water and minerals to the branches and leaf. So now we will discuss about the trees. Big plants are called trees. Trees are of different size and shapes. So students, big plants are called the trees. Trees are also found in many shapes and sizes. So in this picture given below, we can see 4 different kinds of trees. First is neem. Second is gulmohar. Third is banyan. And fourth is pine. So students, these are 4 different kinds of trees which you can see around yourself. They are used in medicine. All the 4 plants are used in medicine. So students, now we will discuss about the herbs. So students, now we will discuss about the herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. They have soft stem. So students, what are herbs? Herbs are very small plants and they have soft stem which we can eat easily. So what are those plants? First is coriander, second is mint and the third is lentis. So students, these are the 3 plants which we can eat very easily. First is the coriander, which we can use in the food for the salad and garnishing. Mint is also used for making chutney, and lettuce is used as a vegetable. Now students, we will discuss about the shrubs. Some plants are small but have hard stems. They are taller than herbs but smaller than trees. They are called shrubs. So students, these plants are small but have the hard stem, but they are also taller than herbs but smaller than trees, and they are called shrubs. So as we can see a picture over here, here is a rose bush which is called a shrub because rose plant have a hard stem. It also has the thorns. So now students, we will discuss about the climbers. Some plants need support to stand and grow. They have tender stems. They are called climbers. So students, some plants need some support to stand and grow because they have very soft stem and they can't grow by themselves. So they need some stand for the growth, and they are called climbers. For example, there is a pea plant and money plant. So students, in your houses you must have seen the money plant which needs some stand to grow. So here are some important points which we can discuss that why plants are useful for us. First is, plants are very useful. We cannot live without them. They give out fresh air and take in bad air. Students, plants gives us oxygen and take the carbon dioxide from us. They gives us fruits and vegetables and grains. So from the plants we get fruits, vegetable and grains. They gives us wood to make furniture. So trees also gives us wood to make furniture. Wood is also used for making paper. The paper which we are using nowadays, we get it from the wood. So students, we get cotton from plants to make our clothes. So whatever the clothes we are wearing, we get it from the plants. They give shelter to people and animals. Plants or trees are the homes of many animals and peoples. We must not cut trees or uproot the plants. That means we should not cut the trees and uproot the plants. So students, now we will discuss about the flower. All plants have leaves. Some plants have colorful flowers. So students, every plants have the leaf and the flower, but there are plants who have the beautiful flowers in them. So as we can see in the picture given below, there are 5 different kinds of flower. So first is sunflower. So the sunflower is grown in many gardens. The second one is rose. Third one is lotus. Lotus is found in the pond. And the third is parsley. And the fourth one is lily. So these are the flowers. So students, learn the spelling of all the flowers and fill it in your book. So now students, we will do some exercise, that is, name 3 things made of wood. So first thing which is made of wood is chair. Chair. The third is table. And the third is bed. So students, fill it in your book. So now students, we have finished the chapter. In this chapter, if you haven't understood anything, please feel free to ask. So thank you students. Have a nice day.